We finally have our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And after years of waiting, this might just be the foldable phone we've all been dreaming of. But here's the real question. Does it actually deliver? Or is Samsung pulling the same old tricks? Let's break it down. Design. Same but different? Yesterday, the first renders of the Z Fold 7 leaked. And at first glance, it looks identical to the Z Fold 6, which looked just like the Z Fold 5. But don't judge a fold by its camera module. This time, Samsung might have finally solved their biggest problem. If you've ever switched from a Samsung Ultra to a Z Fold, you know the narrower design took some getting used to. Well, the Z Fold 7 is changing the game. It's a whopping 11mm wider than the Fold 6, giving it the largest foldable display globally. And it's not just wider, it's also 4.9mm taller, matching the S25 Plus. Translation? The biggest cover screen on any Samsung foldable to date. Thinner, lighter, bolder. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Chinese foldables love mocking Samsung for being hunky, but the Z Fold 7 fires back. Unfolded, it's an ultra-slim 4.5mm. Folded, just 9.5mm thick, making it one of the thinnest foldables ever. And Samsung didn't sacrifice durability. The Z Fold 7 is even better at handling water and dust. So, how'd they pull this off? A completely redesigned hinge, thinner flexible glass, and, finally, a reduced crease. Tom Gray, but there's a catch. The new S Pen is thicker, and it needs power to work. That's right, no more passive stylus. You'll have to charge it separately. And no, there's still no built-in slot. Samsung could have kept the old thickness and added a bigger battery, or even used cutting-edge silicon carbon tech. But nope. Surprisingly though, the Fold 6's smaller battery outperformed rivals in tests. And the Fold 7 could do even better thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and ultra-efficient displays. Camera upgrade finally. Now, let's talk cameras. The module looks similar, but it's slightly thicker. Why? Because the Z Fold 7 is getting its first major camera upgrade in years. The main sensor will finally rival the S25 Ultra in quality. About time, right? Manchak, if the Z Fold 7 isn't your style, don't worry. Samsung's trifold phone is coming later this year. Stick around and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. This is Atif Official, and I'll see you in the next one.